Okay, hey you guys. We're gonna talk about email signatures. I tried to do this a few minutes ago, or a few seconds ago, but it would not work for me. So we're gonna try it again. Um, Canva has really nice templates that you can use to create your email signature, and so we're gonna talk about how to share those once you've made it. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Um, so once you've made your email signature and they have all these templates, and if you want a custom one made, you can feel free to contact me. Because these may not fit your brand. So once you do that, all you do is download it as a PNG. And if you have the pro account, you can use the transparent background, but you can also just download it. And hit set and go over to your Gmail settings and scroll down to where it says signature. Hit create new. Name it and hit create. And then you want to come over to this button where it says insert image. Hit upload. Find your image. Okay. And then that is where it lives now. Very nice. And then you'll want to hit where it says signature defaults. You'll want to hit, make sure you select that and select it so that way it'll automatically use that signature, and then hit save changes. And then it will automatically send out that signature every time you use it. So then you'll look nice and professional, and everybody will see your pretty face, and it'll be on brand the entire time. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you.